The snapped planks suggest excessive force, and the tilted posts compromise the entire section. We'll need everyone for the repair. Well, folks, it seems we have a problem. But where there's a problem, there's an adventure waiting to happen. Follow me.
According to my assessment, we have a critical failure here. We must implement Phase 1 of the Teamwork Initiative immediately. Look at the data here and here. If we don't act now, the entire harvest is lost. Let's go, team! Okay, team, this is it. The biggest problem-solving mission of our lives. We need to secure the sunflower seeds before sundown. Quack, quack!
It looks unstable right here. What do you think?
The schematics confirm it. We should brace it at this joint. The stress fractures are clearly indicated in red on the diagram. We must reinforce the framework here before we can even think about the turbine alignment. This presents a significant problem-solving challenge. Due to the structural failure at the base, a complete rebuild is absolutely necessary.
This is how we fix the problem. We follow the plan, no exceptions. All right, everyone, this is a big job, but nothing we can't handle. We'll start by clearing this debris, and then we rebuild. The clock is ticking. We're running out of time to get this done. We have to hurry.
Great teamwork, MooMoo!
Absolutely, utterly brilliant. Reporting for duty as the snack supervisor. These treats are under my protection.
Breaking news! Sources confirm Porky has applied for the snack supervisor position. This changes everything.
I can't believe you thought that was the right way. We almost ended up back at the start.
Okay, I get it. I'm still learning.
All right, team, listen up. This adventure requires precision. Lulu, you manage the inventory. Porky, you're on point with MooMoo. Let's move out. This adventure won't be easy, but with teamwork and smarts, there's no problem we can't solve. Are you with me? If we place the support right here...
The tension should hold perfectly.
Agreed. Let's get this section finished up.
See this diagram? We need to reinforce these new posts right here with the stronger beams. By replacing the rope ties with these galvanized nails, we ensure structural integrity. This solves the stability issue and secures. This blueprint details the new reinforced design. With these preventative measures, we ensure resilient boundaries for all.
Lulu, this is a brilliant solution. The details here are spot on. I'm impressed. Incredible work, MooMoo. This sturdy lumber is exactly what we needed for the teamwork adventure. You really delivered. All right, Porky, let's get started. I'm gonna need the hammer for this beam.
Oh, right. Here you go, Rex.
Here's the tool you asked for. Banana.
What do you mean, a snack-related delay? Don't they know I get terribly peckish around this time?
Well, that was easier than expected.
Only because we work together.
Teamwork makes the dream work. The solution should be right in here, Porky. Let's see what we can find to fix it together.
I brought the lumber for the fence repair.
Perfect, MooMoo. We can start right away. According to these specs, the support beams go right here.
Confirmed.
And the measurements are exact.
Just let me know where to drop them.
Breaking news! Pig attempts carpentry, results in self-inflicted head boop. The dramatic saga continues. Join us as we face the greatest challenge yet in this teamwork adventure. With teamwork and a whole lot of grit, our problem-solving adventure continues. Look at that coordination! The wind howled, the lumber fought back. Yet Rex, Lulu, and MooMoo knew that together they could build anything. The future of the farm depends on us. Are we ready for the problem-solving adventure and teamwork ahead? Stay tuned.
Sound. The audio features a calm, steady male voice speaking reassuringly and confidently. Look what I found! This should help us out!
Breaking news! Pig saves the planet! Farm team innovates with Muddy Nail Recovery Mission. Through resourcefulness and teamwork, we've proven that anything is possible. A round of applause for Porky! 1, 2, pull! We got it! Ta-da! Ta-da!
I'd say that's a job well done, team.
The finest fence around.
Absolutely magnificent work, everyone.
Stronger than ever! With these reinforced posts and galvanized nails, I can confidently say this fence will withstand any storm. A true look at that! Built solid, perfectly durable, and ready to protect the farm for years to come.
Oh, Porky, you crack me up. Don't worry, we'll figure it out together. That's what teammates are for.
Old Ben was right. The real treasure wasn't the gold, but what we learned about ourselves along the way. This fence stands as a testament to our teamwork. Every problem we solved just made us stronger in the end.
Remember, with teamwork and a little problem solving, there's nothing we can't achieve together.